How to scan a QR code in Brawl Star. Now, first things first, the QR code that is going to be used for Brawl Stars is only for adding friends or if you would like friends to add you. Now, just simply access your Brawl Stars application and then all you have to do is go to Friends. Now, as you can see, there are three options on the left portion of this page right here. Share invite, my QR, and add friends. If you would like to scan a QR code, then just tap on add friends and click on scan QR. Now, all I have to do is to continue to fully access everything and allow permissions to use your camera, and then you are good to go. Now, if you would also like to go ahead and get your own QR code, just simply tap on my QR. You can have a screenshot for this photo right here, or you can just directly use your camera's friend phone and then have it scanned. So that's basically it. That's how you can use or scan a QR code on Brawl Stars.